JDMCAR glove box organizer for the 5th gen 4Runner. It's super simple. It's just 2 pieces. Doesn't require any kind of tools or anything else. First thing is you're going to empty your glove compartment, obviously. Something to note is this would be a good time to clean or replace your cabin air filter at this time, because once you put the organizer in there, you'll have to remove the organizer to do so. So you can do that then. But the first piece you're going to put in is this. This is the first of 2 pieces. You'll notice there's a diagonal piece here. That's going to go on the bottom, so it's going to orient like this. First thing in here, you'll see there's a upright tab on the bottom, and then there's a ledge here on the inside, and that's what this is going to go against. So we're going to get this in there. We're going to put it as far left as we can. It's going to stop at that tab and there in that ledge. Then the second piece we're going to take is the horizontal tray, and that the right side is going to rest on this little ledge here. So that's pretty self-explanatory, and it's just going to go into the cross slot just like that. You're going to push it all the way in till it stops, and that is it. And then it'll hold itself in from there, and you are done.